Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
My name is Emily. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook this popping chicken from frozen to crispy perfection using the Asda compact air fryer. This is fast, it's simple, and actually there's no oil needed. All you need is your pack of popping chicken. The one I'm using is this southern fried popping chicken that I got from Aldi, and the air fryer I'm using is this compact air fryer from Asda. So now I'm just going to open the box, and here we have the frozen popping chicken. Open the bag and pour the content into the air fryer basket. Give the basket a little shake just to make sure that the popping chicken are well spread out, then pop the basket into the air fryer. Now start the air fryer, set the temperature to 200 degrees centigrade and the timer to 10 minutes. Halfway through the cooking, like 5 minutes, bring out the basket, give it a little shake, then pop it back to continue the cooking for the remaining 5 minutes. Once the air fryer is done, you should get some golden popping crispy chicken like this. Now you have your crispy chicken bites ready to enjoy. It's perfect for quick lunches, movie night snacks, or even party food. There's no mess, no deep frying, just the air fryer magic. You can enjoy it on its own or with any sauce of your choice. Now let's try one. It's so good and so crispy. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do like and share this video, and also please turn on your notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.